So Franklin Cudjoe, or head of Imani Africa currently, NDC Abenya Tonetiaka. I was sharing this.
Abuja from Mamu na makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But omo de so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo also. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
So Franklin Cudjoe, or head of Imani Africa currently, NDC Abenya Tonetiaka. I was sharing this if we to munti wadane common food soldier or defend the NDC Abenya with lies ne propaganda without recourse to Onwankasa integrity and the dignity. Once again, wababo on tia baby chantro. Now me babe exposing a big time with World Bank for documents. Intimacy say video no be sha ma kusi. No wetin seminar America ni like an share na for France who enye binhwe. Yan konsem mu. So Ogo Franklin Cudjoe on the Facebook page wa make this post. Na some more can NSM MPP aban sika e kwaje wo World Bank for ho under the Regr3t project ya say ye de ba be ye project bi na ama nsu yiri ho nsem aba form on cramantem ni sika no ya mfa anye ne na esese ye de ye sika no ya divert the aye bibi from specifically wa make wild allegation say sika no mu 60.8 million US dollars. The MPP aban divert ye e de koye COVID-19 related expenditures. Santro we na wochu outrightly make say a yen-tro. Now me ba be ma evidence na tinsem ni ye very important. You see, before I say World Bank, ebe ma Ghana sika no. First of all, Ghana and World Bank etina se. Na Ghana mpenifo explain to World Bank and niema ye pese ye di sika ne ye. World Bank for approve sika no omo mfa ni nyina amayen upfront. Omo chiche sika ne mu no mo releasing in tranches. And to omo the first tranche ebrewa omo follow up no ma ba be assess project no se sika no omo de ma wo no wo de ye ne wo se wo de be ye omo hwia no ma release report e wo hom that report ni bi na me de ba be expose Franklin Cudjoe. Now World Bank for a release a report on the Greater Accra Resilience and Integrated Development Project report on 27th June 2024. 27th June 2024. Now as I report no no omo kire niema Ghana ban say odi sika ne beye ana omo kire nso say sika no omo de aya na so omo fa nye na me ba be kind verbatim so that you will know say Franklin Cudjoe NDC aban ato na adwene ene na no onimu nyansa ntro ana ocha ondwene Ghana fo ho wadane common food soldier for NDC aban no now okọ report ni mu page 1 Oben say a party be on show components. World Bank for no breaking it down. Ne sika no Ghana buying ese wo de beye. Na omo 5 components. Component 1 no almost a climate resilient drainage and flood mitigation measures. I don't know, ebe cost Ghana by 162 million US dollars. Component 2, a solid waste management capacity improvement. Ebe cost Ghana by 55.2 million US dollars. Component 3, a participatory upgrading of targeted flood-prone low-income communities and local government support. And no cost in 58.8 million US dollars. Component 4, a project management. Cost near 9 million. And a component 5 near contingent emergency response component. And no cost near 65 million US dollars. Now, in 5 components in India, so when who any COVID-19 related expenditure be yes, there is nothing like that. Now, page 1 hona yentie near World Bank for Kai. ɛfa ɛyɛ project implementation no sɛ Ghana aban use sika no de yɛ ne ɛsɛ sɛ ɔde yɛ anaasɛ wɔn use sika no amfa anyɛ ne ɛsɛ sɛ ɔde yɛ na emum ɔdivert sika no de kɔyɛ COVID-19 related expenses te sɛ ne Franklin Cudjoe ɛka wɔ Facebook na now wohwɛ paragraph 1.1 with the title development objective ɛhɔ na nsɛm no wɔ na maame kwan me ba bɛkan no ate ase yi tie ɔse the objective of the project is to improve flood risk management and solid waste management in the Odo River Basin of Greater Accra region, improve access to basic infrastructure and services in the targeted communities within the Odo River Basin, and to provide...
What do you want for assembly? One farmer sanitation bill. Anyawa, sanitation for this sika. Yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for one fan yeshi. Na uba obeje sanitation for. Na woje ye no. Anyawa, sako hwenra sako shi ta. You show tonso na baby shi. Hey! Who ya deal? Nkwa hu ba eja shishie. Hey Mr. Pad. Unya ba perfect intro. Esa ucha pad. Saka wide. Udu se pad na ebe ye bibia mo. Into to hwan form omo nye adwuma no. Udu be man crop foforo. Unfa assembly. Unfa sanitation bio. Anyawa. Sanitation for this sika. Yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for omo fa nye hwe. Na uba obeje sanitation for. Na woje ye no. Anyawa. Sako hwenra sako shi ta. You show tonso na baby shi. Hey! Who ya deal? Nkwa hu ba eja shishie. Hey Mr. Pad. Unya ba perfect intro. Esa ucha pad. Saka wide. Udu se pad na ebe ye bibia mo. Into tukoso no wakisin nwe. Uchire biangasa. Sawa akoto alumi ababi. Na du train na okoto ye no. Ni di okwafa baye. The same thing. Wasa akoto alumi, wasa akoto kafrugban. Asa abakro mu habi. Ade na wo tete ho sa. Uno wa na kwa challenge. Train na masa akoto no. Minister of Highways and then your friend say train and hwan makoto aba no. Train dey someone twitwa na alumi as soon as possible na mo nton mo behu. Now then dey asema. Is it that is incompetency or what? What flighting? What flighting mu na why say? Unkunwa wo baye. Seko
Esese gomu afọ to abama wo. Na wo ba be ye MP. Na wo ba be di gomu afọ so. Wo na wutime ba bontin be criticize nia. Government bi aye. Wonim se nia government ya ye yi. E benefit your mind no. Much more than wo government na wo praise no. Oponi hia chipo. Oponi hia chie wo Captain Smart ne si wunya MP a wo bedi. Ade na wo MP mu. Se nye sika na wo ba bepa, wo dia pa na obetumi a contribute dia ma man Ghana. Dia na Captain Smart, obetumi a contribute ade ama gomu afo. Obi onu timi ba bontin beka se MPP bete na so anye hwe. Obi a onu wa ba bontin antime me president MPP se MPP ba amambuami odin hihye bi odin nyoma bi se na odi gu akwam ma ne bo man Ghana. Wonim papa so wakata wani ka bone no. Okra oti unya MP obedi na napo category eno category eyepe insu atona asobi a wo so pese wo ye MP obi a wo so wo dwene man Ghana ho insu atona yiri nkofo na asobi a wo so wo dwene man Ghana ho be gina wo platform so akatire President John Dramani Mahama se insu ato enti ye na ye bibi fa ho no wo gina
abusia ne obo kwasia pa mbre sen ne wotie no NDC for no mobile Captain Smart pass on be 20 TV so no one chan tronya propaganda on cansem hunu won di atem no omo mbre sen Ghana for na they think say Captain Smart no ni nyansa bi na o ka no kora no nti wo mutie no omo bre Ghana for na o mutie Captain Smart no Omo no omo bread. Now you see, about to rent I see one crime man 4 days ago. Nipa over 37 actually woman. Tiense mhunu ne nkwasiasem Captain Smart Cotton TV so e kan. Hwe no uwi abra ne nka nya ansem nkyere no.
De to yen enene nansa ne de nyina no. Eye nipa bone sama MPP fo di o man yi. Hwe nipa do MPP fo ma o mo.
Zo na da no. Simu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku fo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na chere Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the number of hospitals in the because of time. But those ones go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look, I say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals are not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look, I say hospitals and they go and no me say. It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Abaya. It is a kind of country was I would to me say, oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitating me on the fund free seniors who so may comfort. You see, I ain't Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Mokikam Kakaka. Why are they shouting? Ubian Kanum to Nankono. I saw for no common into with the greatest of respect, among common into them queen in a home. Chief Imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians need common to them queen in a home. Market women on common to them queen in a home. Ubian Kanum to them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open quantity. Nancy Bibi Nina Casa de Sebi, ye be a getting invest getting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open getting. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, most people getting. Is there anyone? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me papa, and I feel I'm watching them. Men are warning was such a message. Men are me catch you by John Dramani Mamas or members come to one. Yewa. Digitalization started say yeah, most daddy. Digitalization and talking to move a kinky sika. It's a mamma papa number, mamma kinky, and mamma added a mokum. You will come here. And you are John Dramani Mama could not if I say. And can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, I'm only kinking and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Says a dear Koya cried him and now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member Bota region. Now, Miss Iffiums, eh? Ramona Chapa, ya happiness say, where I can say, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okwe letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff Emanam 1 which is never true. Onye juma order and onye juma order Amanam 1 for the first time Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you be say oh the paneboa.